lies on education, as education is the only equalizer in this life. Finally, I want to thank the CEC. We sit together in the education board, and he assured us that very soon the government is confirming the ECD teachers to be permanent and pensionable. And I quickly asked him, this young generation, Your Excellency, I only remember 2 teachers in my life. The nursery teacher, that time we used to call nursery teachers, because she was taking good care of me. Good care of me in the absence of my mother. And the other teacher, I remember, is the one who paid me most while I was in primary. So you are very important, and I want to urge you to continue developing your certificates. If you have a certificate, do a diploma. If you have a diploma, do a degree. If you have a degree, do what? Masters. And if you have masters, may God bless you so much. We are happy to be with you as a union. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you, Bwana Secretary. Naona kuna mambo anataka kuwaelezea. Wacha kwanza, baada ya speech ya governor ndio tutafikiria. For now, Your Excellency, we have partners who have been with us and who are assisting us. Please, where is the representative? Can you stand up? These are our partners. Please wave because of time. The CPF, please stand up. Maybe George, can you talk in 2 minutes?
Your Excellency, thank you so much for the opportunity. Walimu habari yenu. Asanteni sana, Your Excellency. As CPF, we are always a partner. County Pension Fund is a partner, a long-time partner ya Kisii County and all counties in matters pension. We have to make sure that walimu wote, when they will retire, they have something that they will go back home with. You put in something, na county government pay na kuwekea, na hiyo ndio inakusaidia. When you will retire, at least you make sure that you transition into retirement and see something. Your Excellency, Governor has made sure that employees wote kwa serikali yake, they join a pension scheme. And we have supported that program. And Your Excellency, want to confirm that even as the teachers come on board, we will support them in the training, in the induction program, such that every step of their life as employees is well supported. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Congratulations.
Thank you. You have spent 1 minute for that point, please. That front.
Your Excellency, Chair of Public Service,